does it feel to build this kit?
It's a different community, which is a keyboard community. You basically feel na you're not alone. There's a lot of people building.
I'm very glad I did join this activity.
And then Robotime will also give you a blind box kit. Most easy actually.